Babu!
Hi everyone! Today, Babu is visiting the farm. Let's see what animals he will find. A goat! A cow! A frog! A chicken! A cat! A sheep! A mouse! A pig! A duck! A rooster! A horse! A lot of farm animals. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching everyone. If you like this video, click on Babu's head to subscribe. See you next time!